All right, so we are here at the Gray residence. We are going to be performing a repair attempt. As you can see here, we've got hail damage to this shingle. So this is the shingle we will be repairing. We have our new Onyx Black shingle up there. Shingles on this roof currently are an Oak Ridge Pro 30 Onyx Black. This shingle is no longer made. What we have up here is our Owens Corning Oak Ridge Onyx Black. And at the end, we will show why this shingle is not compatible with this roofing system. All right, so we got our damaged shingle removed. I'm gonna lay it up here next to the new one, just to show you one key indicator on why this shingle is not compatible with this shingle. As you can see here, our seal strip is located on the front of the shingle in the middle, around the nail line. If you look at our new shingle, you'll see that that seal strip is not there, because it is located on the back at the bottom portion of the shingle, which means when we install this shingle, yes, this shingle will adhere to the shingle below it, but this shingle has nothing to adhere to. So now this shingle is going to be susceptible to wind damage. But let's continue with this repair, just to show you that the shingles themselves are not repairable. All right, so we're complete with our repair attempt here. As you can see, these shingles are starting to crease during this repair. And that is with me using reasonable care to install this shingle. We only lifted the shingles high enough to be able to drive the nails flush. One more key factor, you can see here that this shingle is overlapping this, but we're flush over here. This shingle is too long to match with this roofing system, which means that now this is susceptible to wind damage because it is never going to seal properly over here because it has nothing to seal to. This is a failed repair attempt at the Gray residence.